There are many ways you guys can monetize your YouTube channel. One of the main ways you guys can actually monetize your YouTube channel is through the AdSense program. Now, some years back, Google actually came out and they bought YouTube. When YouTube was bought by Google, Google gave us the ability to start making money from ads on our videos. And so the way this is possible, and it's been made possible, is from something called Google AdSense. Now, essentially what you guys can do is you can head over to Google AdSense, create an account, and once you guys have met the requirements to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, you guys can connect the Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel and start putting ads on your videos. So essentially, here's how you get into the YouTube Partner Program. You need 1,000 subscribers, and you also need 4,000 watch hours or 240,000 minutes watched on your YouTube channel. Once you guys meet that requirement, you guys will be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And once you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you're going to normally get approved in like 24 to 48 hours. Once you do get approved, you'll be able to start putting ads on your videos. And that's how you guys are going to get those high RPM numbers to start making money on your videos. So when it comes to placing ads on your videos, every time you upload a video, there's going to be a monetization tab. You're going to click the monetization tab. There's going to be some check boxes. And when you see the check boxes, you're going to check every single box. And you're going to make sure that your video is advertiser friendly. After that, you're going to accept that. And then it's going to allow you to place as many ads in the video as you would like. Now, me personally, in the beginning, I was young. I was just placing as many ads as I possibly can place because I thought the more ads, the more money. Not necessarily, okay? They're not going to play every single ad you place. So if you have a 10-minute video and you put 20 ads in the video, they're not going to do that to the viewers, okay? So just be logical about it when you're placing ads. I normally do every 2 to 3 minutes. I think that's like, genuine. You guys can just put every 2 to 3 minutes depending on the length of your video. If you have a 4-minute video, you can probably just, have one in the beginning and one at the end. Keep in mind, you can only add mid-roll ads if your video is 8 minutes long, 8 minutes or longer, okay? So if you make a video that's 7 minutes and 59 seconds, YouTube's not gonna allow you to put ads in between the video, right? So when you have those shorter videos, you're not gonna make as much money as you would make if you had those longer videos. Now, the longer the video is, of course, the more money is gonna be made, but you have to understand that you are sacrificing watch time. A lot of times, with the day and age that we're in, there's TikTok, there's Reels, there's YouTube Shorts. The attention spans of people on social media is not as long as they used to be. So unless you have an extremely entertaining video, I would not suggest that you go making a 35 to 45 or 2-hour video if it's like you talking or you doing anything that's not like a relaxing noise, right? If you're not making something like a relaxing noise or motivational videos, it doesn't need to be that long, okay? Now, if you're just making like a normal video where you're just showing a tutorial or, you're doing things where you're not showing your face, like you're making video game content or whatever it is, right? You guys want to make that video at least 8 minutes long, just so you can get the benefit of putting more ads in your video so that the video can make a lot more money, right? Also, a lot of times YouTube, they used to do this. They used to reward this trick I used to do. Sometimes I wouldn't be going for like the money, so I'd just be making like 4-minute videos, and so my watch time would be crazy high, and so YouTube will always put me at the top of the search engine. I'd be suggested, I'd be in people's recommendations. Now YouTube isn't really pushing it that way. The algorithm has changed a little bit. So now YouTube wants to see that you have long form content, but you have a high watch time rate. You have a high retention rate, right? You want to make sure that your videos are being watched long enough, right? So that way it can be pushed more. But back to monetization. The longer your videos are, the more ads you're going to be able to pop in on those videos, and you're going to be able to make money from it. So just to recap so you guys are clear, make sure when you guys monetize your YouTube channel, you set up a Google AdSense account, okay? That's the only way you're going to be able to make money from your YouTube channel, just from ad revenue. So make sure you set up the Google AdSense account, connect it to your YouTube channel so that you can start generating revenue from the ads.